Hello and welcome to the Sprint 27 demo of Design Space. This is the work completed by the team over the last 7 days. Jumping right in, we've done some more iterations on the search field. So I just did Command F, or if I'm on Windows, I would do Control F to find. And so what we have now in here, we've added some more filtering and designed it out a little bit more, so you now notice that there's icons here for the various types of filters you might want to apply. I can search for current document in my current documents or recent documents. Let's select recent documents, and I'm going to open up that one instead. You see that comes on. Let me hide those guides. Let me bring that up again. Show you we now have integration of menu commands. So if I want to search for menu commands, I can quit Photoshop. I can look for templates that are, and it gives me the little file path there as well as the shortcuts for them. So if I want to bring up the about, there's John and Thomas Knoll. There we go. So moving on, we also have, as you can probably see, we now have split into 2 different panels, which I can collapse and easily toggle between those two. Again, we're going to continue iterating on the UI, but it's really nice to be able to just switch between those two, just collapse and switch. So if I just want to see that, you can even see here a little bit of the libraries integration that we've started. It's not fully implemented yet, but we are making some headway on that. Some exciting stuff coming, although I'm not going to demo that right now. The next thing you'll notice is that we now have iterated on the tabs, and so if I just start creating new documents, you'll notice it'll start building out, and then as it reaches the edge of the UI, they'll start to, you'll see it got smaller and smaller, and then they'll start to truncate. But if I just mouse over them, you'll notice that it'll fully expand to reveal the full name of the document that I am looking to set focus to. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag out a rectangle just down here. I'm going to give it a drop shadow and an inner shadow. I'm going to change the color. Let's just make it something like a blue or maybe a purplish. Yeah, something like that. Go ahead and dismiss that. I'm going to select my select tool, and I'm going to select this rectangle. So we now have implemented a super sampler tool. So what I'm going to do is I have this selected, and I want to sample the color of this rectangle or anything else in this document. So I'll click there. There's purple. Maybe I want the blue. Maybe I want this kind of hot pink there. So I can quickly sample that. Now I applied these drop shadow and inner shadow. So how can I just selected the color? Why didn't it pick up that? Well, we have a modifier for that. That's the shift key. So if I hold the shift key down and click, you'll notice it'll, let me go back over here and select that so you can see the full. If I hold down shift and then click here, it's going to sample the just the effects. And then if I click there again, without holding the shift key down, it will select the color. We're going to add more and more modifiers to that as we continue to iterate on that, and we'd love to hear your feedback. So that's it for Sprint 27. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon.